him.
Of course, that ain't gonna happen.
Well, not that close. Not that close. I'll say that much.
Wow. This corner is a little high.
How the hell did you do that? Okay. Ah!
Crap.
Oh.
How was that turn out?
No, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Oh man, they agree on something without bullets flying.
You mortally wounded you or something, or what?
Yeah, he was cussing you out, calling you all types of motherfuckers.
I'll take the motherfucker.
How much motherfucker?
I'll take the motherfucker.
All types of motherfuckers.
Oh, that's not one. We have equal opportunity, motherfuckers. in this one.
Equal opportunity. Motherfuckers. Boy, I like that. Equal opportunity, motherfucker. Only Dave could come up with a line like that. Equal opportunity, motherfucker.
Oh, did that get you fancy there?
3 minutes.
Well, is my eyes deceiving me, or is it really 3-0?
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh, Bruce, you didn't copy my program, huh?
He read your book! Something like that.
Oh, shit. I thought Dave sold me a copy that couldn't be copied, but again, he lied.
Fuck. This hurts. Bend over. It is bend over.
Nice shot. Nice shot. A little deflection. Did you need to do that, or was he just right stuff?
Fuck.
1 minute.
Yeah, I got Tourette's. Fuck.
Oh, sheesh.
Uh-oh.
Damn.
Whoa. Whoa.
30 seconds. Seconds.
You're not serious.
Oh, dang!
10 seconds.
Whoa, that'd been cool. Take the punch out.
Nice shot.
3,
We're not gonna score.
2, 1.
Nice guy.
Nice
Okay.
Oh! Man, I felt that without Vaseline. I thought you were going